estate stalwarts honored with the Ultimate Reality Award Season 2 in a glittering ceremony in Dubai by NKN Media and India Today Group. UAE's premier real estate awards and property gala marked the celebration of outstanding industry luminaries, fostering innovation and excellence. Dubai UAE, continuing with its legacy of recognizing the best in the UAE's real estate industry, NKN Media, in the media partnership with India Today Group, hosted the much awaited The Ultimate Reality Award Season 2 at one and only One Zabil Dubai on May 10th. The occasion brought together the who's and who of UAE along with other international celebrities for a scintillating evening full of jubilation and honor for the best performers in the reality industry. The occasion was marked by the presence of Ms. Priyanka Chaturvedi, Honorable Member of Parliament of India, who graced the function as the chief guest for the evening, a member of the upper house of Indian Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Her words on the occasion were an inspiration and guidance of the best achievers and awardees who have defined success in the real estate industry at a global level. Present along with the chief guest was Indian film actor and producer Mr. Abbas Khan, who was the celebrity guest for the award ceremony. Mr. Abdul Majid Khan, CEO and Managing Director of NKN Media, said, "We are proud of the fact that year after year this award helping bringing out the best in the industry and to establish itself as a benchmark for the global market. The increasing popularity of the Ultimate Reality Awards is also a mark of the increasing importance of UAE real estate players in the world arena." The evening saw a wide spectrum of achievers winning awards in various categories for which nominees were invited. The nominees went through a tough screening by the jury and the winners were declared after a stretched process of security. The Gusta Properties, led by CEO Mr. Azan Khan, was adjusted the Best Developer Vision 10 on 10 award, while the Best Real Estate Investment in Dubai award went to Vincitore Real Estate Development LLC, which was represented by its founder and chairman Vijay C. Doshi and CEO Managing Director V. Vijay Doshi. The founder of Patin Development Kalpesh Kiniwala was honored with the Best Developer Delivery and Payment Plan Award, and the Best Developer of Year Award was bagged by Anis Sajan, Vice Chairman of the New Properties. In the luxury segment, the Best Developer Luxury Award was bagged by B&W Development, represented by the chairman and founder Ankur Agarwal, while Sitesh Sanapal, chairman of NX Development, bagged the Best Developer Excellence in the Real Estate Award. Best Developer Residential Design Award went to Sunrise Capital, represented by founder and CEO Mr. Yogesh Hirsch. Bull Chandni, Dr. Shirsad Nasair, co-founder and chairman of Tanquil Developers, won the Emerging Developer of the Year award. The Best Developer Award for Tech Design was bestowed upon Mr. Muhammad Mehdi Hassan, CEO of Everglow Real Estate Development. The Best Developer Rising Award went to Janus Developers, led by its co-founder Mr. Arja Chitan Thatni Thakur, and Best Developer Residential Project Award went to Mr. Akesh Kajwani, CEO of Skyview Development LLC. Mr. Vishal Thani, for founding the managing partner of Vishal Legal Consultancy, V Legal, was awarded the Legal Excellence in Real Estate Transactions Award. In other much sought after category, the Best Agency of Plan Award was bagged by Mr. Masood Mohammed, founder and chairman of AFM Properties LLC, and the Best Agency in Luxury Real Estate Award went to JPG Global Real Estate Brokers LLC, led by Mr. Cherga Gurul, CEO Mr. Muhammad Shahnawaz Alam, founder, and Ms. Shan Nawaz, co-founder of Shams Real Estate, were adjusted the Power Couple of Dubai Real Estate Award, while the award for Best Real Estate Marketing and Communication Agency went to Mr. Sagar Jotani, CEO and co-founder, and Mr. Kushal Desai, MD and co-founder of Publish Media Group. The most trusted real estate agency in UAE of the Year award was bestowed upon Mr. Priyank Shah, CEO of Build Caps Real Estate LLC. The gala evening was hosted by India's leading television anchors, Miss Preet Chaudhary and Miss Sonakshi Barta from the India Today group. The media partners of the event, the new properties was presented sponsor, ARC Shape Group was the associate partner, and Kabi served as the fragrance partner for the evening.
अवार्ड मिलना किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बट सबसे ज़्यादा जैसे मैंने बताया ये प्लेटफॉर्म में डैन्यूब प्रॉपर्टीज़ के अलावा बहुत सारे डेवलपर्स आए और इनसे मिल के नेटवर्किंग करने का मौका मिला और उनसे सीखने का मौका मिला, बिकॉज ये एक फैमिली है रियल एस्टेट की और हम इस पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली है। तो सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मुझे ये प्रॉपर्टी अवार्ड में पार्ट लेने का अच्छा लगा।
Very humbled, very proud for achieving Dubai's Best Real Estate Investment Award. Dubai is world's #1 real estate investment destination, and today getting the award from the Ultimate Reality Awards as Windsor is Dubai's best real estate destination, it is a great proud moment for us. So thank you very much guys for such a nice event and a great award, and thanks to the jury also for recognizing our strong efforts.
It's actually a very nice feeling, and I'm getting this award second time in a row, and always gives you a very good feeling whenever you've been chosen for the hard work and the good work which has been done by you. And of course, it's a very good feeling, but it comes with a sense of responsibility as well. You have to work hard more, and the people are watching you. Whatever you're promising of, you have to deliver. So of course, it's a mixed kind of a feeling, and I'm so happy. Congratulations to India Today Group and NKN Media for organizing this wonderful event.
Well, we are very excited that India Today recognized the effort put in by Pantheon for the category of the delivery and best payment plan, and it's really a recognition and gratifying for the hard work that we put in over the last 7 years. And we really would like to thank the team at Pantheon who put in their sweat and blood over the last 7 years, and most importantly, the customers of Pantheon, thousands of Pantheon customers over 72 countries who have believed in Pantheon and chosen Pantheon to be their first choice for buying a home.